All right, so you can see my NFT is done minting. Had a little issue, so I had to this is a continuation. All right, after posting the video then continue, so this is a continuation. If I can't merge the two videos, I'm going to upload it separately. All right, see, this is still on the Venom testnet that just went live 2 days back. Okay, so we've minted about 2 NFTs already, but we've done about 4 tags already, right? I'm going to refresh this page. All right, so you can see our NFT is minted. Let's go back to projects, right? Click on this place to go back to project. All right, so we have 8 NFT to do. We have done 3. We have about 5 more to go. Right, so this is the same procedure you do for every other one. The next one is Venom Bridge. Explore the interchain transaction for the so we are going to be doing what? Bridging. Click on this place. Let's go to the bridging. All right, the first task is to follow them on Facebook. Click there to follow. Follow this profile like I told you. Like the pin post, comment on the pin post massively. Don't comment massively, please. Read what they wrote there and respond with something that is related to it. So let's go back and confirm. To go back, you click on this arrow up there, right? So now click on this check. Click check. Good, so that's done. So now the next one says transfer tokens from Venom to EME. EMV is like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and all those guys. All right, so let's click here to complete the task. All right, so click here to connect to EVM wallet. All right, so this thing is even good. This has become easier. If you have Trust Wallet, you can use this option to connect to it. All right, I have Trust Wallet. Good. So this is what I'm going to do. First of all, let me go to my Trust Wallet. I want to select. I have plenty these things. I have plenty MetaMask. Let me select specifically the one I want to use on my Trust Wallet. Okay. And you will need to have some BNB in your Trust Wallet for gas, right? Maybe I'll use this particular. Okay, I have BNB in this one. Or let me check other ones. Let me check the crypto guy. Nope, this one is small. Let me check the gem. Got BNBs. Don't mind me, I'm hunting for BNB, like a smart chain. Alright, so this one is good. I have 4 smart chain. Alright, I will use this guy. This has made my whole work easy. That means you guys might not be needing the Metis browser anymore. We can do everything from this app straight. Alright, so I've selected the MetaMask I want to use. Now is to go back to connect. Alright, click here to connect it to EMV wallet. So let's go. So I'm going to click on here, click here to connect. You're going to be using wallet connect. Search for the Trust Wallet here. This is Trust Wallet, just once. Alright, it's going to prompt you to connect. So we are connected to this thing now. So let's go back to here. Alright, good. So we are connected. There's this notification here, say change the network. Let's change the network to Binance Smart Chain. I wonder how I'm going to change the network now to Binance Smart Chain. So network. Okay, that means we are going to have a little problem. I'm going to use MetaMask instead. You get? So I'll use MetaMask because MetaMask will give you options to change the network easily. This Trust Wallet is difficult for me to change the network like that. So let's leave Trust Wallet. Let me go and check my MetaMask, please. Alright, so this my MetaMask is good, and then the network is on Binance Smart Chain. Alright, for the benefit of the doubt, let me go here. See, uh, these are all the networks here. Right, so this is Binance Smart Chain. For instance, if you have MetaMask, you're on MetaMask and your network is not Binance Smart Chain, let me teach you how to add it. Go here. Please pay attention. This is go here. If your MetaMask wallet is not Binance Smart Chain, go here. Click on these three dotted lines. Go to browser. Go to browser. Now here's our browser page. Click on this up here. Let me open a new tab. This is this is another tab. I want to use another page, please. These are some of my OG airdrop. So I'll click here. See where I click that up there. That's where to enter your address. I'm going to type chainlist chainlist.org. See Eric got a blast for that side. So wait for it to load. What I'm doing this is for those of you that are having problem adding BNB Binance Smart Chain network to your wallet. Alright, so this is here. Click on connect your wallet first. Connect wallet. Wallet connected. Is it connected now? It's not yet connected. Wait for it. Let me refresh this. Type in this search bar, type BNB, please. Alright, so the wallet is connected. Click. No, this is not what I'm looking for. This is Boba network. It's not Boba I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Binance Smart Chain. Click this add button to add it. Click add. It's possible my own will not add because I already have Binance Smart Chain. So let me just try add another network like this Boba network. Let me see if it will add. You can see it asking me to approve. So that is the same way to add Binance Smart Chain. You approve. Let me just approve. And then it requires you to switch the network. Then you switch. It will now switch to your Binance Smart Chain. But remember, it's Boba network I'm using to do example. So let me even do the Boba. Switch. I'll switch from alright, good. So now like this, I've switched to Boba mainnet. Let me do how to do the Binance Smart Chain on. Click on this link. I know I'm taking my time to do all these things because the questions in the group are too many, okay? So go through the video before I ask for that question. Okay, I think you've seen how to add a network. I don't want to waste further time here. What you need to do now is go here. Let's go back to wallet to change our network. Go to wallet. Our network is on Boba mainnet. Click here. Scroll down to Binance Smart Chain. This is Binance Smart Chain network, right? Then this Binance, not testnet to mainnet. Here's it. This one. So we are connected. Good. Now let's go back here. I'm going to disconnect it from the Trust wallet here. Excuse me. So click here to disconnect. Now connect again. Wallet connect. We are going to look for MetaMask instead of Trust Wallet. Now we are using MetaMask because we can easily change the network on MetaMask, whereas it's difficult on Trust Wallet. So click on MetaMask here once. All right, so we wait for the pop-up, then you click on connect. Whoa, I'll try it again. Refresh this page. Let's do it again. All right, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for the pop-up. All right, connect. All right, so it's connected. Let's go back. Good, it's connected. So now, hi, why is it refreshing? So now we click here to connect to Venom wallet, right? Click that side. Connect. Allow. All right, so we're connected. So this task is just for us to let's send from Venom Testnet to Binance Smart Chain. All right, we are going to send some test USDT. All right, are you seeing what do you see what I did? Because we are sending from Venom to EMV, not the other way around. All right, so we are sending from Venom to EMV. That's the first one. So I'm sending from this Venom to EMV Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain network. All right, the token I'm sending is a test USDT. All right, so let's enter any amount here. I'm going to enter 0.00001. And let this one be on. Swap test Venom to pay for gas, so that we are going to use test Venom to use and pay for gas. Okay, let it be on like this. So click on continue. So these are the stage 1 to 3 stages. So we're going to approve this transfer. This on our Venom wallet. So pause this guy while I wait. All right, this is still processing. I'm done with the first and second, third stage. The third one is still, processing. So have to wait for it. Don't rush it. Don't say once this one is done, just go and back. Wait for it to finish. All right, so this is the final stage. Say release transfer in Binance. Release transfer. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to click on release transfer. Okay, so now we are going to my MetaMask to approve this one. Wait for it to come up. Whoa. So I'm waiting for it. Don't fuck me up. Ah. Okay, this thing is submitted. No, this is not my transaction. No. Let's give them a little bit more minutes. I don't know what's taking it time. If I wait a little bit, I'm not getting any positive response. I'm going to refresh it. So I refresh it and I'm doing this again. Let's see how that goes.
I believe that this thing for inside that cup for Harvard, you see and touch.
All right, so I think we need to confirm this, all right? And then we pay some BNB for gas. So confirm. If make sure when you finish with your MetaMask, close it so that when you're coming up to approve this transaction here, you'll not get into any trouble. So I'm going to close it and come back here. Good, so that's it. Let me check if I'm recording. So that's good. We have succeeded in transferring the USDT from Venom to MetaMask. Okay, so we are done with this stage. Everything good. All right, so let's check history. You can check your history here. Go to only my own. I want to see only my own. So it's still saying list is empty. So now you have to wait for this guy to reflect here before you go and confirm, before you go and check that thing. If he has not reflected here, meaning this thing you did has not yet, finished processing. These are all the transactions, only my own. I don't know whether this one here means it has finished. Well, if it has, it's going to show something like this. So we have to wait for it, right? We gotta wait for it to reflect. I will wait. All right, I think I'm tired of waiting, so I'll just go now. Let's go to the tax. Let's go to the tax area and confirm whether I'm trying to check if it has done. Well, we've actually make the transfer, so let's go, and if it doesn't do, we have to come back later to check. Go back. See where I'm clicking. I want to go back. Or you can just, if you have the address to the text side, you can just go there one time, right? All right, I just hope I'm audible. So let's scroll down here to the tax. Transfer from Venom to EM chains. They have marked they have tickets, so this thing is done since. I'm wasting my time there. So the next one is transfer token from EMV chain to Venom, right? All right. So the next one, what we are doing now is to transfer token from our MetaMask to our Venom wallet. All right. So let's click on this place so that we can do that. So okay. So we are here now. Our MetaMask, our this thing is already connected. You can see it's reflecting here, right? Not MetaMask. Our MetaMask is already connected. But if yours is not connected, you can, do where to connect it. You see this from the previous step how we did that, right? Now we want to send from MetaMask to Venom. So now we are going to switch. Now we are going to switch this thing to Binance chain to Venom, right? All right. So it's BNB we are sending also. I'm going to send 0.00001. You can send as you want. There's no max. I don't understand what this means. Okay. Swap BNB to pay for gas testing. Want to get Venom? You will get Venom token in the amount you indicate below. Some of the Venom token will be used to pay transaction fee. Okay, so let's. Mm. Swap BNB to pay for Venom. Well, I'm not swapping this one. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. It's if you want to swap BNB to get test Venom that you click on this one. So I'm not paying. So let's leave it. I have Venom. So all you need to do is enter this value I enter here. All right. Untick this guy. Then go here to continue. No wonder I pay a lot of gas fee the other time. All right. So let's approve the transaction. So we go to MetaMask to approve the transaction. I'm waiting for them. Let me check. Yes, I'm recording. This is a long video. I take my time to make it, so take your time to go through them, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to confirm this now. Paying this amount in fees. So make sure you remember to untick that place, okay? So that you don't pay too much in gas fee. You're not going to be swapping your BNB to pay for Venom. That's what the mistake most people do, and you see your BNB is not enough. All right. So now let's go. Like I told you, close this your MetaMask. So let's come here. All right. So that is done. Transferring token to Binance Smart Chain. So it's doing confirmation. So now it's going to, this confirmation is 8 of 30. Let me pause this video, please. All right, so transfer done. We need to approve the transfer here. Click on approve transfer. Send. So now we're waiting for these guys now, preparing. All right, so I'm still waiting here. Transfer check, player waiting. So we are still waiting for these guys. I'll still pause this and wait. All right, so transfer is confirmed. Successfully transferred this from this to that. All right, so our transfer is confirmed. Now you can see all throughout this tutorial procedure, I've been using my normal Venom app, and then connecting with my MetaMask. Right now you can do this with the Venom extension as well. Okay, if you're having problem with doing with the app, because some of you, your phone version might be low, you can just download Macy's browser and then install the extension. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Venom extension on Macy's browser, and I'm going to drop the link to the Venom extension in this video description. All right, stay with me. Let's go now. Let's go back to confirm this stage. Checking history. So I want to check my history, only my own. Okay, so this is what it's showing. Everything is done, confirm. BSC. Oh, this one is taking me to BSC scan. That's serious. Let's go back, please. So you hit this arrow here to go back, 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 back. Let's go. So here we are. We are back in the task area. So now we are going to mint. So all the tasks are completed. What's remaining for us now is to mint. Well done, well done, well done. Mint. So we have done the two process that involve us to bridge from our MetaMask and to bridge to our MetaMask, and it was seamless and easy. The only thing is the Venom network is low, so it takes time. That's why I have to be doing some things in between, like minting of NFT. Now see the way it's processing. So I'm going to pause the video to save time. All right, so we're done with minting of the NFT. Now we can go back to project. Here, this is the arrow you used to go back to project. Let's refresh this. It's not doing. Bingo. How many so far we have done? 4. 4 more to go. Let's check on tax. I think this one is a new one today. This Venom pad was released today, so that's what makes the whole thing it. All right, so let's go to this is the one, this one that's stake. First thing first is to this one is just one task to stake Venom. All right, so I'm going to click on here to go to the page so that I can make the staking. This should be easy. All right, so let's connect our wallet. Connect. You see the way I've been managing this thing, I still have about 35 Venom. Okay, more than enough. All right, so I want to take my Venom whatever. Let me stake one. Where will I stake? Okay, so down here, so enter the amount that you want to stake. I'm going to stake, let me stake 0.1, or let me just take 0.2. Man, no bless are stingy. No, let me stake 1. Let me just take 2, Joe. All right, let me stake 2. So click on stake and send. I'm staking 2 because I want to have this ST Venom. I want to have it in a full number. Like, all right, so I'm waiting for this guys. I've staked. I'm waiting for it to appear. Okay, so the staking successful. You can see it. It takes time, but you have to wait for it. So come to on stake here, enter mass. You can see I have stake already. So let's go back to the activity and confirm that. So we're going to click back here. So that one is confirmed already. So now we mint NFT. So we wait for it to finish minting. We are done with the